In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock in Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're logged in to the correct organization. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't used it in a while. This will make the process quicker and help you avoid updating the wrong item. Next, click on Items from the menu. This section is where all of your products and inventory-related details are stored. If your business manages multiple products, this page may contain a long list, so it's a good idea to slow down and carefully look for the exact product you want to update. After that, locate the product you want to update. You can scroll through the list manually, or if the list is large, use the search bar to find the item faster. Make sure you choose the correct product name before making any changes, especially if you have similar items or different versions of the same product. Taking an extra second here can help prevent inventory mistakes later. Once you've found the right product, click Edit. This will open the product details page, where you can make changes to the item information. Look for the unit field and update it as needed. Be careful while entering the new value so that your stock information stays accurate and consistent across your records. If your team depends on this inventory data for sales, purchasing, or reporting, accuracy at this step is especially important. When you're done updating the unit, click Save to apply the changes. Saving confirms the update and ensures the new stock-related information is stored in Zoho Books. If you navigate away without saving, your changes may be lost, so always double-check that the save action has gone through successfully. And that's it. That's how to add stock in Zoho Books by updating the product information inside the Items section. As a quick tip, after saving, it's always helpful to review the item once more to make sure the update appears exactly the way you intended. This simple habit can help you keep your inventory clean, organized, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.